adwuma no ntahudin no wudi ankasa de say
medi ankasa Benedict Adusei Poku.
Benedict Adusei Poku. Oh, okay.
Was Adusei ne mra ne na Poku no.
Oh, okay.
Christian Benedict,
Matthias Benedict, okay. Ningina so come na ye wo da ben
Wednesday me Kwaku.
Kwaku Benedict.
Yes.
Kwaku Kalala. Aka Kofi Maraska. Good morning, Kofi. Wednesday. Ade atin there. Baby, are you okay? Yaba. You be here, you be some Asante Man in Ghana.
Simple English Premier League started.
Yeah.
And me sure say by now call your social media handles now. Well, your prediction from the team. So and there's just a simple job of identity and your picky teams here pick, you know. And of course, and then you may ask now a game against Coventry.
Yes, we are interested by
exactly.
Ghanaian 2 players who want
yeah, of course. Means that you be who and a caliber and cheat.
Yeah.
And your brand friend Brandon Santia.
Yeah.
On original game. But why a lot of people still saying Arsenal beating a defend your title? It's a very important thing. They are and this is what follow the commentary are in England. Most of the people are not first no last season, this season, almost complaining about Chelsea for projects now beginning to say Chelsea can win the Premier League. And for me, even as a Chelsea fan, I find it a little bit of a reach. But that is what they are saying. We do the analysis. What is the data that backs all of those things? Manchester City, Manchester United, SAR teams thing, you know. It's a very interesting thing to say. And I think, let me say this. No matter who you are, open ball. Fashion would dream say football and its business side. Baku and Yadi Beja the other one with Chida. If you want to be successful in the game, marketing of the game, branding of the game, can be nobody does it better than the English Premier League. And then if you go across all of our social media handles, images, videos, sometimes now it means show a lot of videos, so you see videos of how they projected game, you know. They projected the season of the English Premier League, the various managers. As the season goes on, for the very first time, there are 3 Basque managers in English Premier League game in the top 3 teams now. There is one in Antonio Iraola with Liverpool. There is Mikel Arteta already at Arsenal, and now Xabi Alonso has added on at Chelsea. But managers, normally together, Real Sociedad, normally together, against each other. Now their managers competing against one another with English Premier League. It's very interesting. I think that Klinsmann was some interesting stats. Then you're able together in the analysis.
Okay. So after now, once we are planning, I say na show no CTM. Fiifi and Klinsmann. Combo we fan kakra na we are fan kakra. You hear na fi yenso ye jade aka no. The amam na monso mo timi ato aso nti Klinsmann. You nim koma at the point in time Fiifi beba mu den.
No, see, there is no two ways about it. Say Arsenal Premier League, you know. A team I buy or that kind. Everything are favoring them. The reminiscent of Nhyira Mobile, the game that they played against City, they show some level of automatism. But the second team I'm placing was Manchester United, and in the Premier League we have the 6 traditional clubs. Talking about the Arsenals, the Cities, United, Chelsea, Tottenham, and Liverpool. And the crap was similarly say, Manchester United can rejoice in the misfortunes of these clubs, apart from Arsenal. You see, in football, we have something that we call epicacracy, which simply means rejoicing in other teams' misfortunes. Apart from Arsenal, among the top traditional clubs are more competing for this time. Unim said 3 of them are having a new tactical brain at the bench. Chelsea, City, and club friend Liverpool. Even at some point, they say be new there, but joining Tottenham at the later part. But Manchester United, Carrick joined. He's used to the terrain already. Then 2, check Chelsea team now. This is a Chelsea team. Kukuera, some of the experienced players are leaving them already. Latvia mu injury say wo. Pedro enim so obey adwuma there. But Premier League in Arsenal try and say squad in depth is something very important. Enti Arsenal upon so J League nina, he's still adding players to the team. So even Pedro here adwuma ni kra we are. Why they backing with you? There's a team, one of their best players, Kopama, will need to go and read the books again because he will need to kick the start. Last season, I said that faster.
You can call later part and
exactly. So apart from say coach Efreno and coach Andini Alonso, added the automatism how the players will adapt to the system. They are having issues with the team. Elsewhere, Ukopio City. Now no say with the entry of the league, you see ni has the total dominance, total tactical baptism. Even how Enzo Maresca, the City team, will accept say now Anya Pep Neko, we should adhere to coach Nenyama is one thing. Already, the brains in the midfield, Rodri more fitting him already. Bernardo Silva more free. So a new veg for coach I find Maresca and so Babi Yejuma. Ukopio mo Liverpool. Omo players I confirm about last season. And fan mom. So the Liverpool team, the old players and their new signings, Isaac Mo, Eketeke, they need to adapt. Before say new signings, Baba, injuries, Homo. The experienced players already, Van Dijk and Moniade will need to also adapt in a new style. Tottenham. You have an issue whereby that relegation a threaten or mono, ebeme niabomo, the media, the hype, signings or my. So this be per one per we need to prove because a lot of signings in our home. So
their Kingsman can say because there's a lot of changes of Premier League. On who say Manchester United will take advantage.
Yes.
Because of consistency.
Yes. Because there is a new coach at Liverpool. Arsenal can win the league and that is his outright winner. Yes. But there is a new coach at Chelsea. A mainstay in Marco Correa every team in England.
Yeah.
And even if you've brought in Pep Chavaria in his mind, a little bit to take some time for him to adapt. Yes. Even as a player, a team in him, which can be something a bit more affected Chelsea for this season. Now he goes on and he mentions even the style of play, Liverpool for have played under Jurgen for some time, and then of course Anna Slot came in. But even for Andoni Iraola, and it is true, Andoni Iraola's style of playing is completely different. He's a manager that presses very high in all games. And my prediction is that this season Liverpool is likely to concede more goals in the second half of matches. Because Andoni Iraola in his first season commits a lot of men forward. You press high, you be aggressive, you win the ball back. But usually by the second half, no players neighbor. So it's something that can affect the team. But it doesn't mean say over time they will not acclimatize to it and I say they will not be accustomed to that style of play. So that is what he's trying to say. Now, if he is supposed to go on, I ask him a question. Say, has he looked at the squad depth of Manchester United vis-a-vis the number of games United will play? The travel distance, mid-air. We are in the Champions League. We have your new Champions League format. Until now, you are playing more games, more bigger games, and your guarantees of maybe 2 games of fear, 1 game of fear, derby. It's likely that you can even play less games at home and play more away from home. Again, we also Manchester United in FIFA when Casemiro went, there is an injury to Manolo Ugarte. How do Manchester United reconcile this? Playing in Europe last season again, in as much as Michael Carrick, the benefits of the doubts that he has been there for some time, it's important and worth noting say Michael Carrick for a large part of his stint at Manchester United played just 1 game a week. Into 7 days, United to meet us here, no match Monday, the next match is Monday.
Monday
you
starts.
Get more time on the training field with your team. This season in pre-season, Manchester United has struggled in beating even a manager and almost say Wasa Sebi. In Ruben Amorim she almost shown 4. And they kept on asking questions. Then Ruben Amorim, yesterday 3 back in has come to beat us by 4 goals. So then you ask yourself, question, the physicality of the team, Yuri Tillman. In fact, the spine of the United midfield, made up of Yuri Tillman, Carlos Baliba, Andre Santos, and of course, Bruno Fernandes to an extent, can that play all of these games? 3 days a week? Over match going away. I think that's going to be the biggest question. I don't know what Klinsmann's answer is to that.
So you see, with that, Manchester United for Nefantio Mutumi say definitely they will trade one of the tournament. So that's the only way they can go.
Okay.
Yes, the Champions League, they've qualified, but the consistency recently, the squad depth, they know said they are going to play, they are not competing. For the Premier League, maybe you want to see a Manchester United team, top 4, no best a reminiscent of them. So they will trade some of the tournament. Very evident. But Ebo Carrick B was here maintaining the top 4. Maybe we caught because recently for the last 13 years, apart from Europe, the domestics are more be. So we team do the finals of one of the domestics. Enough the man. And with the Casemiro, you see, The best midfielder for Manchester United and the best player was Bruno. How they maintain Bruno, that experience, that leadership. Tielemans is known to the league and Wababe Shame. That player of Chelsea in Soba will come to the midfield. So that protection, Tielemans is helping them in terms of the build-up. Then that Chelsea player also will help them and provide shelter to the centre back. Okay. So it is true, say, yes, squad depth. The number of matches now accumulated debris. But this is the same character. But when him say last season, it was very evident, say, Senka Amorim to me, nya points kakra to wa, can ye we be maybe come to me league, you know, but commit me compete. Because points kakra. Fee, coach a friend Carrick Ben Winnie. Say Amorim to me starting if they've had a good starter, maybe Manchester United will compete and compete very well.
Yeah, I think that is true. Yeah,
yes.
Factual. But you see, Gab, now let us give a little bit of substance and meat to your analysis there. Now, say, Nhyira TV, what I've tried to do is that I've brought on data to back the analysis, and it's very important. And idea of Nhyira, it makes us stand out is using data to marry the analysis that you see superficially to create a mental picture to see their EPC account. Now, so what you know Nhyira TV? Yeah, this is every Premier League team since 2016-2017. In fact, since 2009-2010. One more games in Europe. The points abroad all more matches in Europe and all more Champions League, all more Europa League, all more Conference League. Compared to when the team is not playing in Europe.
Okay.
Now, there are certain number of teams that are almost susceptible to some of these issues. Team beats Manchester United. Team beats Chelsea. Team beats Tottenham Hotspur. Team beats Liverpool. When I will explain to you. So for Liverpool, between 2012 2013, when they wanted to rebuild, that's when Jurgen Klopp was coming over. In Jurgen's last season in Europe, it was the Europa League before so I could the proper Champions League. Means okay. That is where no more Martin Skettel, more Puni scored, no there and Lovren more. Then later on they brought in a team that went on to go and play in Champions League proper. There was a time where there seemed to be some level of points accumulation difference. Some more Europe and some more Europe. I will do that comparison.
Okay.
Chelsea as a club in the last 10 years, even to 20 years, has always been sometimes ultimate Europe this season, not next season only Europe, not this season only Europe. If you remember, the last time at Chelsea winning the league by playing 3 at the back was Antonio Conte. Last season, no? Antonio Conte took a Chelsea team that finished 10th the season before, Wambo Europe. He won the league. The next season Chelsea went to Europe, catastrophe hits them. Then you come back to Manchester United. In the years under Ruben Amorim, under Eric Ten Hag, I think about 1 or 2 seasons don't go in the Champions League. In fact, there was one of them that they went away, Paris Saint-Germain money at the other. But in the league, there was struggle. Only 1 to 2 teams in recent times. Even Arsenal, in the days of Unai Emery, not almost some European commitments, they were struggling to an extent. Then for Manchester City, Pep brought them super stability. And for me, the definition of super stability is not just the squad depth. So I wanted to draw Kingsman's attention to something. Say it is true. Yuri Tielemans is experienced in the Premier League. Bruno Fernandes, obviously the best Manchester United midfielder with team in him. Andre Santos, Kobe Mainoo. This is top. Carlos Baliba.
Yeah.
They'll make it 5. Deep. But in terms of questioning whether these players, how many of them have even played in Europe consistently? Yuri Tielemans a couple of seasons under Unai Emery or Aston Villa.
Yeah.
Bruno Fernandes, same.
Yeah.
Andre Santos on and off. Top level European. Carlos, no. Kobe Mainoo always as a periphery. He has never been the main guy. So those questions can be asked, especially when you have to juggle the two. But let's look at the data. In 2015-2016 to 2016-2017, that is the Antonio Conte era where Chelsea played in Europe and they didn't play. There was a point difference in the red dots, no? Time and a team in Europe.
Oh, okay.
And a blue near time and a team in Europe.
Okay, no all concentrate to a league link.
Just the league and local competition. Chelsea in a point accumulation of plus 43 points.
Okay.
Europe, plus 43 points. Now, when you go to Manchester United, in the year 2024-2025 and then 2025-2026, Europe, that's what he had. Obaya one ko Europe game on your plus 29 points in addition to the points.
No, last year they had Manchester.
Yes.
Okay.
So the 2025-2026, the same season that Kingsman is talking about. Michael Carrick plus Ruben Amorim.
Okay.
Now, what is clear is that the team in Europa, they obviously have some level of focus in the league and a bomb.
Okay.
Like I've said, you get more time on the training pitch. One of the biggest players that coaches ever, the time you get to the training pitch. Because consistently, you need time. You have to travel. Travel time, acclimatization, time difference, player health. It's not a big issue. It only has 7 days. You drum in exactly how you want to play. And I think Michael Carrick was excellent at that. So we United here, that doesn't take anything away from Michael Carrick. Okay. It doesn't mean that he can't play second like Kingsman is saying. What it means is that United have a bigger hurdle to now beat as this season comes in. Now in Liverpool 2012-2013, then 2013-2014, Omunya plus 23 points when they were not in Europe. Again, Spurs 2008-2009 and 2009-2010, Omunya plus 19 points when they were not in Europe. Chelsea again 2023 and Omekaya. Before this, Chelsea had won the Champions League in 2021 under Thomas Tuchel. Then the subsequent season, Chelsea called Champions League. It was disaster under Thomas Tuchel. Now Frank Lampard, so the next season, Graham Potter, but it did not work. The season where they didn't go for the Champions League, they didn't play in Europe, plus 19 points. Comfortable, they qualify back to Europe. Then Manchester City, the last time they had to watch the City, they only appear here once, and it was late. Post Pep, and that's why I see that City
2009-2010.
Astonishing. That's why I thought there's a super squad depth that City had. 2008-2009, 2009-2010 plus 17 points. The manager in question very important, and also the squad quality. That is when they were rebuilding Manuel Pellegrini, Mancini, the City team until Pep Guardiola took over. Now for Liverpool 15-16, this is Jurgen Klopp plus 16 points. Arsenal 2020-2021, 2021-2022 plus 8 points. Manchester United 13-14, 14-15 plus 6 points. Spurs 23-24 also plus 6 points. Then Liverpool in 2 seasons they dropped by minus 6 points in terms of point. Now why do I say the City for an outlier of the data? Only an outlier because City in the last few years in terms of spend and player quality have been one of the best of Premier League. This is a team or Champions League na Rodri Cascante in 1 January. They can go to the market, bring on Nico Gonzalez, Okofa Abdulkader Kosenov. All of them were January purchases. Yeah. All of these players, Antoine Semenyo, Mark Gay, Spain's quality and the sheer depth are good at City. So they constantly could not pick last season. Now go back now kind City for midfielders are. He had Matthias Nunes, who is naturally a midfielder playing from fullback. Nico Oriali is a midfielder, he plays him from fullback. Mateo Kovacic was teaming him. He had Bernardo Silva there last season. He had Rodri Cascante there last season. Nico Gonzalez was in the team. He had Tijani Randes was in the team. Rico Lewis is a midfielder. Almost 9. That is depth.
Okay. So the issue in say Sir Kalala say Manchester United beat me at the league this season. Obezo chance yenya cases are team are all ball Europe. Na all ball league I am modern one and head down fat.
Can say usually there is data that backs.
Okay.
So the Europe babe count, especially the Champions League. I know points they drop it.
Okay.
And my next question to him is, how does he think United will be able to be an outlier, City outlier? And you can see from the data.
Yeah.
Then United beats me. Does he think Michael Carrick is too good a manager? That is the reason why United can be an outlier. Again, does he also think Abia quality is too good as compared to Chelsea, Arsenal in these times, and that's why they will be an outlier? What is his thinking with that? Then we'll move on to mine.
Okay, so with Manchester United, league in the Arsenal, Mr. Mamin correct, Arsenal. Maybe the Arsenal first.
Okay.
And I'm saying Manchester United can rejoice in the misfortunes of the other traditional clubs to find a way to place a proper position on the table. And with Fiifi, can you see, as I said earlier, Manchester United in terms of squad depth ain't mean competing in the Champions League. But I know Carrick and the fans should accept the fact that there's been a stage so they will need the consistency in the Premier League so that maybe we top 4 be or top 2 be, then they will qualify for the next stage.
Okay,
that's what we are saying here. So if a Manchester United team travel be na Champions League a new phase, we na on kanwa any issue. But in the Premier League, near watching kakra from last season, how they maintain their players, the epicacracy I hate some of the clubs. The new coach is Sabano. He can use that environment to place a proper position or be finding a way through. Meaning, okay. If it's clear. Okay. Yeah. So with answer to the question, maybe say, is for them accepting and trading some of the tournament, especially maybe the Champions League, using the arsenals they have right now to place well in the domestic trophies, so that MBA disappointment, then the focus will be on the Premier League, because that is where I am say Manchester City, some of the quality left. Chelsea, Niwaba, even uncertainties home, Enzo Beko on Connie and they Tottenham, a lot of players are joining. So for the coach to even assemble them, those who are returning from injuries, how they will fit and have that chemistry with the new ones, remember, and they still even want to buy. Manchester United can chance on these opportunities and find ways and meander their way through. That's what is on the paper. Okay. And the reason why I factor the elements in here, say they know the terrain kakra. So maybe if only the Premier League, they will not fumble a lot. If only the Premier League. So Manchester United should factor the Premier Leagues in their books. Concentrate on the Premier League, because Champions League in the corner United fee maybe do omo bana say omo intinya
yeah be boy we need your matter so you say where you are.
The problem is that say Kingsman Madrid in
yes.
No matter how bad Madrid gets,
yes,
there is no Madrid executive, coach, player that will say, oh, this isn't the we just want to go to the Champions League and go and compete. And I'm sorry, say I am Madrid near and say that, oh, I didn't Fiifi compare Madrid to Manchester United. In the grand scheme of things in football, when you speak of Madrid, in the context of the same sense in Europe, if you speak of Liverpool, you speak of Manchester United. Yeah. It's a great club in the Champions League. The last 10 years in a new machine shine. So United, for one, have gotten a chance to go back to Europe. For them, it is going to be a chance to go back there to go and win.
Yeah, but the I see a showcase.
Yes.
A moment say you fit trophy now.
And that is the thing, and he points it out. And I think a big psychological battle.
Okay.
United for okay, you about Champions League, you know, between the Champions League, any ABR domestic competitions, any coming back to the Champions League, what do you have to do? I mean, in fact, I think that is the trick for most of the clubs. It was the trick Arsenal were able to get through last season, 2 seasons ago and 3 seasons ago. And in the Champions League, also Arsenal are competitors. Let me explain to you. Arsenal, let's go back to the Champions League. You know, the dream was not to get to the final and win it. In rebuilding clubs, and again, it was the biggest problem Chelsea had last season. Last season, you make it say, and your Chelsea dream and our goal is to win the Champions League last season. No. So Brianna say one Champions League Nibia. The plan is to constantly be available and be competing, to be reappearing, especially so in the English Premier League. Because it is better Arsenal or first one and or quarter final. Then the next one, quarter final, I think it was Paris Saint-Germain also in the uniform. Yes. Then they went to the next one again.
Finals.
Before then, in that round to that, no one come Madrid with Miles Lewis Kelly. The experience of the previous Champions League and the fact that they could build on it. Chelsea, this advantage is that this season, after playing the Champions League last season, they could not qualify. So you can't build on that experience in the following season. So in agreement, Manchester United this season should focus on staying in the Champions League for the next season.
Okay.
And the problem is that for a club the stature of Manchester United, that is something that they won't buy. And that is why the other side of the argument is that any stockpile in terms of depth and quality. That is why for me, a big thing. For me, unless maybe you do January, and United are comfortably in third, second, like Griezmann is predicting. For me to say that okay, they can go back to it. Because, granted, you need Tillman or a good player. In fact, he adds a lot more to the United team. Short passing, wide range passing, shooting out from the back. You want
that Rodrigo star now at the Man City, no? Vibe in
Carlos Baleba, and I said it the last time here. The problem in the United midfield is that everybody is a technician. Most of the people who have not watched Andre Santos think that Andre off the ball player. No, Andre is not. In the French League, he tried. But about Chelsea last season, without the ball, there are a lot of spaces to cover. You will not be able to do it alone. You can't put the host of Manchester United in the hands of Andre Santos to be the number 6 that controls the game for you without the ball. 3. Carlos Baleba, an excellent player by our standard. Carlos's biggest strength is the ball carrying ability from deep, also as part of ball progression and in the technical strength of the player. Bruno Fernandes looks like a final third killer, assists and goals. Last season, we saw the record with Timmy Setima and team friend Manchester United in that regard. So, quality, but almost all of them is centered in the technical side of the game. And for me, that is what makes me a little bit worried. But we can move on from Manchester United. I don't know. This Chelsea makes me edited.
Okay, I want to add something to Nhyira. Can you see? And with Fiifi, in the starting of every season, your teams, how they set their goals and how they will achieve it. So, with respect to Manchester United season now, see, the goals of Manchester United team needs to be clear. Standard never from Kakra. So the goal is for them, who are Manchester United, for accept the fact that standard number form for you to be very consistent in the Premier League, maybe the top 4. European rules is here. So Phil made mention of Arsenal. The number of times or mobile, even Paris Saint-Germain, Obeko final, Barcelona for 12 seasons, Waba semi, Waba quarter, he's still trying. Even up to now, Barca for no crown, they are still have that so So the clear thing here said they go for Manchester United should be consistent in the Premier League because the objectives in the want to achieve goals. And what are the objectives? The squading depth and a whole lot of which Manchester United any squading depth for the long season. You can see the Premier League team Aquaji Champions League. Chelsea and Thomas to come. Understand they fumble in the Premier League. So that is one thing I was a Manchester for this season. So said the objectives needs to be clear. Say be consistent in the Premier League. Just exploit the misfortunes of some of the teams because carry back so that they can get a very proper position on the table.
Govi yentimi to as am said they can the best set na etina yaba na yaba be this ankomo no.
And match or honum here start season no.
Yeah. Mo dey my code ne na etina
omko fikesi
yet me di hu nkomo ye.
Very important. Yeti for omko fikesi na say mo omko no mutimi ko na omko kucha. I bet we call Michelle Ocean Nhyira TV. I will take a screenshot and that's what pick it. First one, BW 6A 62 DB 39. Second one, BW 6A 62 C396. Third one, BW 6A 62 B7 D8. Fourth one BW 6A 62 A8 4. And the last one BW 6A 5E 14 B9. And there are 2 codes.
Okay.
And boy, we are hoping saying we'll start the weekend also with the streak. No?
Okay. Fiifi Manfred and the Kingsman